Hello everyone, welcome to your Let It Go choreography video. So at the very beginning, we have that very familiar melody, do-do-do-do-do, that little part. We're gonna start everyone looking down at your toes for the first time it plays that melody. So we'll be looking down, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Then the second time you hear that melody, you'll look up very slowly. Then, as soon as Elsa starts singing, we will turn and face the stage. So remember, you will be on the sides. So group one, you're going to go to your left, and group two, you're gonna go to your right. So you'll turn and face Elsa, who's singing on the stage at the very beginning. Then, once she's there towards the end of her solo, heaven knows I tried. So if you're turned to the side, you're gonna turn back forward at the end of her solo. Okay, so look down, slowly look up, turn and face the stage. At the end of Elsa's solo, you face back forward. So that all happens before you even start singing. Then here's where you come in with your words. Don't let them in, don't let them see. So you're kind of scooping your arms up. Don't let them in, don't let them see. So scoop up to your eye level, turn your palms out, and bring them apart on C. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Good. Then the next part, be the good girl you always have to be. So you're just slowly fading them down after you did C. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Then you're gonna point from high to low. Well, now they know. Because you're kind of pointing out at the audience at that point. So high, down to your sides. Then here's going to be our main motion for every chorus we do. So you take your left arm across your waist, throw it up. Let it go, switch, let it go. And you leave your arms up. Can't hold it back anymore. So you turn your hands into a fist and pull them straight down. So let's try that again. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Do it again. Let it go, let it go. This changes. Turn your wrist out and fade them down beside you. Let it go, turn away and slam the door. So that's how that goes with the words. Then, I don't care, hands are to your heart. I don't care what they're going to say. So I don't care what they're going to say. Then just your right arm. Let the storm rage on. Shimmy your hand a little bit, jazz hand in the air. And then you're gonna grab the air with a very dramatic grab and pull down. The cold never bothered me anyway. So let's try it from let the storm rage on. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Okay, so you're just pulling down, way, you're all the way down. Good. All right, it's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. You take your right hand, it's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. So just straight up, back down. Fist in front of your heart this time, but it's a fist. And the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. So you meet it with your other fist. And the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see, it's almost like a power pose. You're bringing your fists down to your waistline. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. Okay, so your wrist or your fists are here. You raise them up onto test the limits and break through. So you meet them together, burst open. and then no right, no wrong. No rules for me. You're just lowering your hands. I'm free. And you burst open and fade down. I'm free. Then you're back into the chorus. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Good, so that's the same motions, just different words for that one. And then here I stand, and here I'll stay, back to that power pose. Then your right arm goes up. Let the storm rage on. This time we fade it straight back down instead of stopping for a jazz hand at the top, because we have a little musical interlude. So let's do that last little section there. Here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on, and back down. Then we have the musical part, and then my powers flurry through the air into the ground. So you're going up and then over to the side this time. Then you switch hands. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals all around. Then your fist, your power pose again. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. So fists raise up, and then you burst open on blast. Okay, let's try that little section there. My powers flurry through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. Then just Elsa sings, I'm never going back, the past is in the past. We come in and just sing. We don't have any motions for the past is in the past. Then we're back to let it go, and I'll rise like the break of dawn. Let it go, that perfect girl is gone. So those are the same motions, again, just different words. Elsa sings, here I stand in the light of day. Then we sing, let the storm rage on. Back to your power pose. Let the storm rage on. Elsa sings, the cold never bothered me anyway. But then we have our O's. So we're gonna slowly raise our fist as we sing our O's. Ah. And when we sing ah, we'll burst open and slowly fade down. Click on the next video to try all of those motions with the music.